Hi, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jenny Alligrant. I'm a 31 director, and the items you see behind me are going to be our focus for today. I want to show you two great items that are going to kind of be each other's yin and yang this season. First of all is our zip top organizing utility tote. You're going to find that one has a zipper closure and lots of storage on the outside, whereas our new Everyday Essentials tote is going to have lots of storage on the inside, and it does not have that zipper closure. So I can't wait to hear which one of these styles is better for you. Let's start off with our zip top organizing utility tote. This is in charcoal crosshatch. I used one of our new spring summer personalization options in black and hot pink. It has that zipper closure that I mentioned, and it has 7 exterior pockets. 1, 2 on the side with personalization, 3, 4, 5 on the back, and then 2 stretchy pockets on either side. A great option for those of you who are carrying this as a diaper bag. You've got spots for passies and teethers and all the things that they need on the outside. You've got a spot for your own drink and all those things on the outside. And then the inside has plenty of room, more than you'd think, for all the other things that you need. This is also a wonderful mobile office bag. As a teacher, this is the bag that I gravitate toward, and I really appreciate being able to stick a fold-in file inside of that for additional file storage if you need some hanging file folders on your way as well. So this is the inside, is an open structure bag for our zip top organizing utility tote. Now that's going to look totally different from our new Everyday Essentials tote. So this one is going to have an open style and 1 pocket on the outside. So this front pocket has a Velcro closure, and it's a deep closure there. And then check out the inside of this one. 8 interior pockets for this tote. So think about how you could use all those pockets to organize if you're going from work day to weekend, from work to evening, and you want to be able to change clothes, or maybe use this as your bag to change clothes after and you're going to a next event. You could put those items in there. If you're using this as a diaper bag, think about all those pockets on the inside. So this is just another option for you, whether you prefer to have your storage on the outside of your bag or on the inside of your bag. So tell me in the comments, which one are you? Do you prefer to be on team 𝐬𝑡, Z-O-U-T, zip top organizing utility tote, or are you team Everyday Essentials tote, EET? Which one is more your style? Thanks for watching.